Now let's explore techniques to balance brain waves and lead a life that is more peaceful and brave. From mindfulness to sound healing and more, all these practices can help you find the core. Balancing brain frequencies can be done with practices that can be fun. From breathwork to energy healing, to find the best one that works for you. Mindfulness or reading practices can help you stay present and calm your mind from being too incessant. Breathwork techniques or running or brisk walking can regulate your breath and help you find a sense of rest. Meditation practices or praying time, such as namaz, can help you find peace and get confidence and help from the Creator that is unseen but believed, and reduce the chatter that won't cease. Movement practices like dancing, jumping, or yoga or Tai Chi can help you release tension and anxiety. Sound healing techniques like singing bowls or gongs can help you find balance with their soothing songs. Energy healing practices like Reiki or acupuncture, or even taking cold shower or swimming in any water, can help you find balance and feel more pure. Balancing brain frequencies can be done with practices that can be fun and free to join anytime. So try out some of these practices starting from today and see how they can help you in every way. Balancing brain frequencies is possible for you and can lead to a life that owned by renewed you.